Hello people and welcome back to Code on Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. All the clips you are about to see are for educational purposes. Make sure to sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. In our first video, we have a crazy scooter rider who pulled out onto the road while the oncoming traffic had a green light. Camera caught a group of wild bikers on his dashcam. These guys started cutting up traffic and dangerously moving in between other vehicles as well. Running a red light is the most careless act you can do while sitting behind your wheels. It's not just your own life that you're in danger, but the life of other drivers who have nothing to do with you.
At 11:08, traffic and weather together every 10 minutes on the 8th. Here's downtown.
In half a mile, turn left on Vermilion Avenue.
Camera caught some reckless moves on his dashcam. In the first situation, the van driver in front turned right from a left turn lane only, and in the second one, well, the camera got calmly cut off by a driver who doesn't care about living to tell the next day.
I couldn't, in an escape room, when you do those, are you allowed to go, you know what, we quit, let us out?
I think if you screen fire, you can do whatever. Don't you get it? Don't you get it?
That was awesome.
Easy to find.
The restorative justice
Here we
process
go.
every day they went in and said, are you going to pay?
Some people never learn, do they?
He's one of those people that starts moving over and then puts his signal on. Come on, 75th, south of Denver. Two meters of road. Three meters. Where's my medium? That's what it's medium.
Yeah, he's back in the car. So I just wanted to let you know. Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.
Crazy driver thought that it was worth risking his life just so he could make his turn. Not only that, but he endangered the life of a driver who had nothing to do with his mistake.
What a dickhead move.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that would really help us out. While you're at it, click on subscribe and bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and drive patiently.